Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the drawing you will modify and positioning yourself in model or layout space where the text lives. Once done, open the Text Style Manager so you can confirm or create the style you will use. You need a defined font, width factor, and a default height. Make sure the text style name is descriptive so you can apply it quickly. This step sets the foundation. Without a correct text style, sizes will behave inconsistently across scales and viewports. Next, you apply an explicit numeric height. When creating single-line text, use the height prompt, or after creation, change the height in Properties. For M text, open the editor and set the text height, or select the object and edit the text height in Properties. If your drawing uses multiple scales, enable annotative text so the displayed size remains consistent across viewports. Annotative objects adjust automatically. Always verify units. A value of 3 equals 3 drawing units, so confirm your unit system before finalizing. To finish, review text across your drawing at intended viewport scales. If you used annotative text, confirm each annotation scale is assigned. Otherwise, toggle annotative off and apply explicit heights. Make sure block definitions don't contain hard-coded text heights that override your style. Once adjusted, run region and zoom to extents to refresh visuals. If things go wrong, the most common fix is checking for non-zero text height in a block or layer property overrides. Correcting those restores consistent sizing across views.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.